everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ikigai Creation. I am Shreya Agarwal. So today we are going to make cardboard wall hanging. For this we will make a first circle of 4.5 inch diameter and another circle of 3.5 inch in diameter. And then we will cut it with the help of scissors. We have cut two circles of each size to make it thick, and we will stuck it with Fevicol as shown in the video. And do the same in second circle too. When we are done with sticking, then we will put a heavy weight on it for at least half an hour. And then by using masking tape, we will cover all the sides. And then we will do the same in second one, and then we will tape the edges to make it smooth so it will look good. And then we will use our macrame cord of 3 mm. And first we will place this aside and work in this one. And then we will glue our macrame cord as shown in the video. When we are done with applying cord, then we will cut it. And same as this, we will do the same process in this one also. So we are done applying cords in both these circles. And then we will use Fevicol acrylic color and normal brush to paint it in white. Then we are going to paint another color. Any guesses what I am making in this wall hanging? we are done with our first circle, and then we will do the same in second circle. And we are applying our last color, and we are done with our both the circles. And completing the circles, we will make our tassel. For making tassel, we will take 6-inch cardboard, and then we will roll our cord like this to 10 to 15 times to make it thick, and then cut it. And then we will take a 15-inch cord and make a knot. So here we come to an end, and this is the final outcome. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.